back. I hope you all are having an amazing day. Thank you so much for being here. I do greatly appreciate it. If you are new, welcome. My name is Nikki. Thank you so much for being here. I do wish you would consider hitting that subscribe button and becoming a part of our YouTube family. We do all kinds of fun unboxings. We do unboxings from lifestyle to beauty to pets to snacks and everything in between. So if you enjoy unboxings, this is definitely a channel for you. Also, guys, don't forget, right now we do have a couple active giveaways. They will be linked down below in the description box. So if you haven't yet entered, please go follow those links and enter the giveaways. But as you can see, today we have the November 2019 Fruit for Thought. So I'm going to tell you a little bit about the subscription and then we'll get in and see what we got for November. So Fruit for Thought is a monthly lifestyle subscription. It says every month, the Fruit for Thought subscription box will feature a different fruit and or vegetable theme. Your box will include a combination of products with scents, flavors, and colors that coordinate with that month's theme. Themes will always be shown in advance on our website, so you can see the themes that are coming up. I do know that the theme for December is Candyland, y'all, and I'm just like, that is like so appropriate. Like, I think of gingerbread houses and things like that with Candyland and peppermints and just different things. So I'm super excited to see what next month has in store. So there are two different versions of this subscription. There is the full size, which is the one that I have here, and then there is a mini. The full size is $44.99, and you receive it 5 to 8 specially curated items every month following that theme. Now for the mini, it is $31.99, and you will receive 4 to 5 items. And one thing I do like is there will be a card in here that will go over each of the items, and it will tell you, like, it'll list, obviously because I have the premium, it's going to list every item, and it will tell you items that were not in the mini. So you'll know what would have been in the mini, and then obviously what's in the full size. So I do have a promo code for you guys, so that is super awesome. I will put a link to Fruit for Thought down below, and if you want to use the promo code SOUTH20, you will get 20% off a full-size subscription. Now, you do get free shipping if you go ahead and prepay for 6 months, and you can prepay for 3, 6, or 12 months, and it'll lower the cost of the box each month as well. So that is super fantastic. But let me get my life, and we're gonna get in here and see what we got. I do know the theme for this month is grapefruit mint, or grapefruit and mint. So let's see. So being grapefruit and mint, like I said, that's what I have on my paper here for November. Obviously kind of a minty colored tissue paper. But you guys, this ribbon every month is so cute. Like, it literally has like watermelon, pears, pineapples, bananas, apples, oranges, cherries, just all kinds of stuff. I think it's so, so cute. So let's pull it back. All right, so yep, we have our card, grapefruit mint, and December theme, Candyland. Awesome, I can't wait. And like I said, this tells us here everything that is in the box, so we'll reference that in just a moment. Ambrosia Soap Company. It's a promo code. So we must have some soap in here. So we'll get to that when we need to. So this is what I see. So we have squigglies and goodness. So we'll just start grabbing and seeing what we get. So here, there must be more to this. Because this feels empty. This is a really pretty bottle. I do have to give it that. It says gentle foaming hand soap. It's a really pretty bottle, but it's empty. Let's see. Throwing out a bottle that was used only once is a waste, right? We love that www.ambrosiasoapco.com provides reusable soap pumps, and we are including a pretty one with a grapefruit mint scented hand soap concentrate. You can purchase refills on their website. So let me see. Right here. Okay. So this says peppermint, grapefruit. Step 1, pour concentrate into empty Ambrosia Soap Company 8-ounce foamer bottle. Fill with purified or distilled water. Screw on pump and shake to mix. Let's see what it smells like. Oh, that smells very good. And it honestly, it has a really good essential oil smell. Like they definitely says no potassium hydroxide in finished product. All right, so I'm excited about this. Cruelty and vegan free, biodegradable, no harsh chemicals. I think this is excited, and what I like about this could go in a bathroom, this could go by your kitchen sink, and I think the white and then just a little pop of color, this would work with any decor. I really like this, and this smells really good. All right, let's see. Then we have here, this is a pink grapefruit and mint facial scrub. Gently exfoliate your face with, what is that? Scrub It NH at Etsy is the shop that made this. It's a great smelling grapefruit, basil, and spearmint face scrub with citrus notes. Dampen face with warm water. Apply a quarter-sized amount to the face and neck, massaging gently for 20 seconds. Then rinse with warm water. Use up to 3 times a week. Let's see. That smells good. It smells just like that hand soap. Like, literally, it smells just like it. Like, you can tell there's essential oils. You definitely are getting, like, it says grapefruit essential oil, spearmint essential oil, sea salt, raw sugar, coconut oil, grapeseed oil, and sugar. And that's literally it. So I love that that's a very minimalistic scrub, so you know exactly what's in there. And it smells just like that, the hand soap. That is awesome. All right, let's see what else we've got. What's this? Ooh, new. It says new. Ooh. Ooh, we have a chocolate-filled pink grapefruit ruby cocoa bar. Or cacao. I don't know if I'm saying that correctly. Try something different. A combination of sour and sweet pink grapefruit filled yummy chocolate bar. This would not have been in the mini. The mini box would have included mints. So there's that. So far the soap, the soap container pump, and the facial scrub would have both been in the mini. And instead of the chocolate bar, there would have been mints in the mini. All right. Oh my gosh. Y'all look at that. Like, you see that? What? We're sending you the prettiest nail polish remover you've ever seen. No kidding. That is gorgeous. This is from blossombeauty.com, mint scented non-toxic nail polish remover infused with real flowers. Mint scented nail polish made with natural, organically derived plant-based ingredients, acetone-free, non-toxic. You can see there it says mint. That just is like, they weren't kidding when they said the prettiest nail polish remover you've ever seen. Let's give it a sniff. Oh, well. I don't even need to remove that. I can smell mint, and yeah, it's like a peppermint oil, like an essential oil. That is awesome, y'all. That is so pretty. Like, I am like, seriously, like, that is so gorgeous. All right. That would have been in both boxes. And it looks like we have one more product. And let's see. Let me make sure. All right. Now, this would not have been in the mini. It says, make food shopping fun with a grapefruit printed magnetic market list notepad. This is from bloomwolfstudio.com. So there's that. And you can see it has the magnet there. It's got 50 sheets. So you can definitely see the grapefruit all around the edge. It is very pretty. I love notepads like this for this specific reason, that can attach to the side of the refrigerator. And then you can make a little list of what you need to pick up at the grocery store. So, that is really cute. That's a good size. Like, you can make a good size list with this. So we got this magnetic grapefruit list. We got the mint scented nail polish, which again is the prettiest nail polish remover I have ever seen. We got the chocolate grapefruit filled bar. We have the grapefruit and mint facial scrub. And then we have this gorgeous bottle for hand soap and a peppermint grapefruit refill for it. So I really liked this. I think this was a fun month. I like how there's just always a variety. You have something here that you know is like a household item you can put in your kitchen. You have this that is kind of a household you can put in your bathroom or your kitchen. You know, we have two beauty items. We have the nail polish remover, the facial scrub, and then a treat. Who doesn't love treats? So, like I said, I will put a link to Fruit for Thought down below, as well as that promo code SOUTH20. So definitely head over and check them out. And like I said, you guys, Candyland is the theme for December. I cannot wait. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know what you thought. Do you get the subscription? Let me know down below. I love hearing from you guys. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.